All right, so how you doing today, folks? Today we're taking a look at the next instrument in the Bloom series from Excite Audio. And by the way, all the Bloom series instruments now, you can import your own samples. That's something brand new with the newer versions, and that's all the older ones, the drum machine, the bass, all that stuff. I made a bunch of other videos on those. There's an introductory offer for this as well, so check out the links in the below. There's bundles you can buy too. So check that out. But today we're going to explore some of the really cool atmospheric sounds of the Bloom Synth Atmosphere today. Just real quick here, if you're not familiar with the series, we could change keys here very quickly. We have different notes down here that correspond with the keys on the keyboard. And then we have patterns up here, and these would be the black keys. I believe it's octave 3. I'm not sure, maybe octave 2. And then we have these other keys here that can reverse and double time. Well, that's double time. This is pitch. And pitch lower, pitch higher, effects like that. We have a randomize button down here. These are pretty in-depth. The interface is very simple here. In the front, we get the lo-fi control. We have a modulation, we have a width. We have a what's this? Submerged. And then we have more controls down here, and of course we could go in here and edit even further. We could generate our new patterns, we could add our own samples, just drag and drop here, or this little folder icon here. So like I said, there's a lot you can do with this. I'm not going to go into full detail. I just want to show you some of the sounds and stuff you can get out of it. Got all these different presets here for experimental, full atmosphere, melodic, rhythmic, synths, textures, all that kind of stuff. Now I do have a drum beat playing in the background here as well. That is from the Bloom break drum instrument. All kind of drum breaks and stuff. They got a vocal chop one, they got bass. Like I said, they have a whole series of these instruments, and they're super cool and fun to use. And especially with the import your own samples now, it even makes it more useful. But there's a lot of sounds already in here that you're gonna have a lot of fun with. Some other things we got here, we got delay, we got reverb, noise, global effects, sequencer, modulation, just so much stuff here. But let's check out some sounds. So here it is, just playing some chords and a bass part that I used in Logic Pro here, just using the Logic instruments. And I got a pad playing here, I just changed the instrument. So this would be just playing, basic chords on the keyboard. So let's try it out with this sound, see what happens. And as you can see there, I could dial in some different sounds as I'm playing this. I have the noise here, low cut, high cut, and such. That's just one of 250 presets, I believe. But let's check it out playing the preset patterns and some random noises on the keyboard. Something cool real right there. Let's check out some other presets here. Experimental. With the beat. Really interesting stuff. I mean, full atmospheres. Let's see what this has to say. Got melodic stuff in here. Rhythmic stuff. See what the synths have to say. All kind of neat stuff. Textures. The drones, of course. I'm just scratching the surface with this. It is super cool. I love the Bloom series, the stuff they have going on here from Excite Audio. All right, so there you go. Super cool instrument. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on other platforms like X or wherever. There'll be some more links in the video description below in this post or wherever you're watching. So that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.